Hello, Chemist Corner. This video is just a quick tease. 4 very short 20-second clips of some of the fun I had this week with liquid nitrogen. I'm planning to publish a much more complete video later. I hope you enjoy the tease.
You will see that, well, it does the same thing as it did in the other container. The color does not change. And since the color does not change, that tells you liquid nitrogen is neither acidic nor basic. It doesn't really change the universal indicator that much.
I hope this video whet your appetite just a little bit to see more of liquid nitrogen. See you again soon on Chemist Corner.